My name is Dr. Roberto Bryson. I've been a pediatrician here for many years, and now I have been asked to say something about cancer in general. As a physician, I can say that cancer is one of the diagnoses I feared mostly in my professional career. However, I can say if cancer can be detected at an early stage, the possibility of a complete cure will increase tremendously. And therefore, I do urge all young women and the older ones also, if they haven't done it as yet, to please get a mammography done. This mammography can detect cells before they're even felt by palpation or seen as a lump in the breast. By this early detection, the possibility that the cancer can be detected at the spot where it began in the breast, and it has not already been transplanted to other areas of the body, such as the armpit or the neck or even the abdomen and down to the groin and to the vertebra back. If this can be detected early, the chances of a complete recovery increases tremendously. Therefore, I urge everyone who has not already taken a mammography to go and visit this unit when it arrives in their vicinity. Thank you.